What's up, guys? I got this 98 Suzuki Bandit that we rebuilt here. Put a new engine on, new exhaust. Every component on here has been replaced or new. Carbs have been fully rebuilt with new filters on. So yeah, this is the bike for sale. Just giving a quick little walk around of it real quick. I posted the pictures of what it looked like before so you guys can see. Turn this blinker off. Everything's super clean. The seat's ripped. I do have the new fabric for the seat if you want to open it up. In here we have a brand new battery and then a custom little like splash shield we made battery holder just to fit the look of it. And then we have a light bar in the back that we fitted to delete the hideous rear end on this thing. So it was a Suzuki Bandit and now it really doesn't look like that anymore. All right, so let's get this fired up. Key on, clutch in, hit the button. Starts up every time first try. Sounds fantastic too. Idles and drives perfectly. Tires still got some meat on them. This bike really needs nothing except cosmetics. And here's some before pictures of the bike when I just got it. In bad condition, obviously the plastics were cracked, the engine had been left open on the side for a winter or two, so we stripped it all down to the frame and chose to powder coat the frame black, and we did end up slapping a new engine in it off of eBay, 14k miles on it off of a used Bandit, and then we got the frame powder coated black here, bike all put back together. We did rebuild the carbs, put all new parts on there, new brakes, all new hardware, and then this is the finished result here. Gave it a whole new look, looks way better than it did with all the other plastics on it. We upgraded the headlight to these super bright LEDs. And yeah, I mean, everything is pretty much in working order. Just needs a few cosmetic things here, like the mirror. Could use an extra one of those, or some handlebar grips. New exhaust is just put on. LED turn signals. LED back brakes, and it has the turn signals built into here. Everything works and is functioning as it should. Just needs a new home.